Okay, these right here, this is a battery for a skylight, okay, by a very popular company here. And, uh, and that's cool, and they're good. This has lasted 5 or 6 years. Now, this is in Arizona sun up there, it's solar powered, so it's been up there through 6 or 7 summers in some pretty extreme heat because, it's right there in the window. So I went, this one's finally died on me. It opened but wouldn't close. That sucks. But anyway, I went to see what it would cost for a new one. And it was $160. And I'm going, okay, well, all right. It's pretty specialized. There's a place around the corner I could have it repacked, I suppose. But let me check it out. So I took the rivets out. I have one here that I took the rivets out, took out the parts, or took off the parts. Here's the one end. There's nothing to it really. Just the shape is important. And on this end, it's a pretty simple connector. It's funny they have one of them jumpered there. I'm not sure what that's all about. Probably to keep you from trying to do it yourself. Anyway, it's just soldered to the ends of these batteries. Now I was thinking they were AA, but I should know better because that's considerably bigger. So I took it out, which was fairly simple, and I found these. These batteries right here, which I thought, okay, well, that's cool. Let's check it out. Of course, I don't have welding or anything, so I wasn't sure how I'm going to put this together. So I looked it up. I went to DigiKey, which is a famous place to get parts. I'll put a link down below. And lo and behold, they not only had the batteries individually, but they have them all set and ready to go in 4-pack. Which gives you almost 5 volts, so I can see why it's pretty popular. I mean, you can do a lot of USB stuff with it. And it has solder tabs on it. So I'm about ready to just unsolder them from here, solder them onto here, and guess what? Shoves right into this tube just fine. Okay, so basically, the price of these, I ended up getting 2 of them. That's why I've got one open and one not, because I've got 2 skylights. And by the time you add the price and shipping and all that, it ended up costing me about $114 for both of them. Okay, so considerably cheaper than $160 for one. Now, they wouldn't cost me so much, except there was an extra $10 tariff, which, of course, Trump says that he seems to think China's paying, so I'm not sure who to bill for that $10 I had to pay extra for the batteries. But anyway, between shipping and everything, it was about at $114. So not bad. I think they're about $40 a set is what they ended up being. All right. And let's see, what's it say on them, so you can get if you need more information. This is it talks about recyclable. It's kind of nice. And this is the information on the, there's DigiKey right there, and there's their part number. Go for it, man. Everything you need is right there. And it's dated, so when I take it apart and find out that, it's 2027, when I take it out, it's like, whoa, this lasted a while. Okay. Frankly, I think these are going to last longer than the others, but these are even orange. They're just packaged a little nicer, so I'm thinking they're the same thing. Anyway, I thought I'd try and save you guys some money and show you how easy it is to replace your own. When I put this back together again, I don't think I'm going to even try putting the rivets back in. I'm just going to, put these in place, and when it snaps into place, I think it's going to hold everything together just fine. That way, when I take it apart the next time, I can pull it out and replace the battery so much easier. Anyway, have fun, save some money there. A couple solder connections, and you can save yourself what's that come to? $100, almost $200. So anyway, have a good one.